Please rotate your phone lengthwise to watch this video as intended. Thank you, and nice to meet you. My name is Konstantin Monastyrsky. I am the co-founder and CEO of Skrol. This is my office address, email, phone number, and website address. You can scan this code to add my card to your Contacts app or CRM. When I don't want to share, I tap here to show the Skrol logo instead. I can translate my card into most of the major languages. This is my card in Japanese. When needed, I can swipe up to show my actual business card. I made this photo with a scanner built into Skrol. It automatically adjusted my card for poor alignment and uneven lighting. The next swipe reveals my nameplate. I place it in front of me during meetings with unfamiliar people so everyone can see my name from a distance. I can swipe to the left and share my personal card with friends and family. Another swipe shows my business card from my previous job. And this is a card with the hotel address in Paris that I used to show to taxi drivers while staying there. Here are 7 more reasons why you should switch to digital business cards. First, you'll never miss an opportunity to share your contact information because your phone is always with you. Second, you can share more phone numbers, several emails, social sites, chat services, links to your website, more than one address, and your brief bio. Third, you no longer need to order new cards when your contact information changes. Fourth, people you meet are far more likely to add your information to their smartphones. This way, they will still be able to find and contact you years later. Fifth, most people welcome touchless business cards because, post-COVID, they prefer not to take anything from strangers' hands. Sixth, you can share a link to your card online via email, messages, and chats. Finally, 7th, for all previous reasons, you will stand out from the crowd during meetups, trade shows, and conferences, and get a chance to meet more interesting people. Let me remind you that Skrol's digital business cards are free for life, and you can start using yours as soon as you complete this installation. Thank you very much for watching and happy scrolling.